lesson and our lecture today. Hello, Ma. You seem a little confused. What's the problem? Are you having trouble having a job? It doesn't feel like a few more semesters to graduate.
I opened LinkedIn earlier, but when I saw the requirement, gosh, there were many tools that I have never even heard of. The needs that the industry wants are also out of date. I feel that what we learn in lectures only gets a small percentage. I have a lot to catch up on.
Yeah, when I did my internship back then, I was just shocked. I was told to use Docker, like GitLab, or just even talk JSCAN on campus. That it was never told before.
But we have learned a lot of theory, right? Isn't that enough?
The theory is fine, I think, but the industry needs more teamwork, communication, quick learning, strategy, and anything.
If only I had actively participating in competition, organization, and bootcamp training like her, Anissa Putri Maharani, maybe my portfolio could be better prepared. There is no such thing as a gap in the informatics engineering curriculum here with industry needs.
I feel that too, but it's not too late, right?
I just remembered how if we had some dialogue with our lecturer, Mr. Sikit, and our senior student, Anissa Putri Maharani. Surely this will be the way to solve the problem we are arguing about it.
Sounds great.
Flashback.
Mengambil beberapa referensi dan pendukung. Pertama, kita akan berhubungan dengan industri. Jadi sebelum dulu ketika kurikulum saya sebelum ini dibuat, itu sebelum buat kurikulum kita itu mengambil masukan dari berbagai industri. Kemudian itu adalah baru satu hal saja. Kemudian ada lagi standar dari FIBU. Kemudian juga ada standar dari Kementerian Tenaga Kerja. Itu menjadi masukan. Kemudian untuk opsionalnya kita mengambil opsional tambahan, yaitu kita menyelesaikan standar internasional dan juga mengacu pada kurikulum internasional yang disusun oleh ACM. Prakteknya biasanya bisa diberikan berupa tugas ataupun proyek jika mata kuliah tersebut memiliki keterkaitan dengan industri secara langsung, maka kita akan diberikan proyek. Ataupun memang mulai sekarang ada juga mata kuliah khusus isinya proyek, mata kuliah punya capstone. Itu proyek? Iya, itu memang khusus membahas proyek.
The functional consultant, I think there are several things that I didn't learn from campus, but actually it really need in internship or in industry world. Maybe like the first one I can mention is some specific words that related in industry concept of IT, but we didn't know it from the campus or we learned at class. Maybe it's related like to ERP or enterprise resource planning, which is very related with my role right now, which is I'm a functional consultant. There's a word like maybe ERP, and then there's also cloud computing, and then like business process automation. So actually business is a core thing that we all must know before we go to the industry world. Maybe the second thing that I can mention is knowledge about business. Why I told you guys this business thing knowledge is important, because there will be many final decisions that we must make in working or in industry world, which is beside the technical things, we also need to know about the final decision about the business area, and we must consider about the business aspect, not only the technical things. Maybe the third thing is about soft skills that we must have in the job environment. Maybe like how we can communicate in a good way with client or maybe with our colleague to do the teamwork to have an effective and efficient decision, and how we manage our work together, and how we document our project like that. Also, I think we also need like critical thinking and problem solving in the real work, because based on what I already know, maybe like in campus, based on my experience, I have did like critical thinking and also problem solving, but actually it's still different from what I supposed to do in the industry world. So I think this critical thinking thing in campus is just like a simulation before we can really do it in industry world. And then last but not least, I think it's important for every field in industry, it's about knowing the formula in Excel. As we know, there's Excel or maybe Google spreadsheet. There are much formula that we need to know because it's gonna be very helpful for us because it's going to make us easier when like import data or manage data or maybe deleting data or something else. Since I'm a functional consultant, which is very related with Excel or maybe like Google spreadsheet, and I'm just gonna tell you guys a little thing. So in my internship right now, in my role, I'm related with Oracle NetSuite, which is a software of ERP or that I just mentioned before, enterprise resource planning. It's a software that we also related with Microsoft Excel because we must like import CSV format to that software and how we manage about the our client businesses, finance or maybe administration or etc. We really use CSV format in Excel, also the Oracle NetSuite.
Jadi kalau di semester awal belajarlah basicnya, kemudian nanti setelah semester menengah mulailah perkaya diri Anda dengan informasi visual, bisa melalui magang atau ikut summer course atau juga bisa mengikuti workshop dan sebagainya. Jadi akan memperkaya pengalaman.
This is kind of reminds me of our conversation with Mr. Sigits and the alumni sharing from our senior Anissa Putri Maharani yesterday. The world of work is very different from the campus. There are even research that highlight the real challenge of the IT curriculum gap. As in this diagram, about 15% of workers need retraining to stay relevant in the industry as per data from the World Economic Forum in 2023. More than 87% of companies believe that new graduates are not ready for work due to lack of industry relevant skills, sources from McKinsey in 2023. More surprisingly, the demand for digital labor is expected to increase by 55% by 2030, according to the International Data Corporation. These figures indicate an urgent need to update curricula to better align with industry trends. We need a list of what skill we still lack and what skill we need to learn.
Yes, it's not too late. Let's make a schedule and plan to make a better future from about organization, study plan, bootcamp, and anything.